Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Kimaya 1 Balewadi, which is located near Balewadi Gaon, Balewadi, Pune and developed by Kimaya Groups. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, unlike other current listing platforms. If you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly by developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Kimaya 1 Balewadi will be constructed on 1.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 7 floors having 2 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट की सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे बैक एंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के बैक साइड में आपको मिल जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर बाजीराव श्रीपति मार्ग, बालेवाड़ी गांव, बालेवाड़ी, पुणे. और ये जो रोड देख रहे हैं आप डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करती है बालेवाड़ी रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है बालेवाड़ी मेट्रो स्टेशन विद इन 700 मीटर्स, डी मार्ट बानेर विद इन 2.1 किलोमीटर, राधा चौक विद इन 2.3 किलोमीटर एंड जुपिटर हॉस्पिटल विद इन 3.4 किलोमीटर. Coming to the amenities part, project has 20 plus luxurious amenities like meditation zone, yoga zone, multi-purpose hall, landscape garden, kids play area, indoor games and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Kimaya 1 Balewadi has 2 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK starting from 942 to 956 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Kimaya 1 Balewadi, which is located near Balewadi Gaon, Balewadi, Pune and developed by Kimaya Groups. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में आकर प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. And for more such videos, click on the given below link. And do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.